How to open LinkedIn account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can open LinkedIn account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application. You can get the application on your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, that is Android or iOS respectively. Now, in order to join in LinkedIn, on the sign in page you can simply tap on join LinkedIn and you'll be headed to this LinkedIn page. Now there is a shorter way to it. You can easily join LinkedIn with your Google or Facebook account. If you are on iOS device, you can join with your Apple ID. Now in my case here, I already have an account, but if you want to do it the longer way, then you can enter in your email or phone number here, tap on agree and join. Then it'll send a confirmation code, enter in the confirmation code, and there, instead of going through all that hustle, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and tap on continue with Google. It'll ask you to choose an account. If you already have an account, if you tap on that particular account, it'll log you in real quick. If not, then it'll take you to the setup page and you can log in real quick with that. So this is the way that you can easily open LinkedIn account. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.